So as you all know, I got a 3D printer. Now what would something I would 3D print with that?
It's time to do.
These Millenium eyes. I should sand them down more, so it might be a better outcome. But I want to spray paint it. And then I also got gold stars from the duelist.
You are without a doubt one of the finest duelists I've
From
seen.
the duelist kingdom. Thank you, Pegasus. So, we about to be spray painting these boys today. Honestly, I made this because I wanted it to probably be cool, but I don't. Oh, that down. That goes down. Okay. Alright. We got the gold bright and shiny, so we'll see about that. Alrighty.
Oh yeah!
Wow! I'm mad with power now! Okay. I think that's everything I need to do for right now.
A few moments later.
And this was just the appetizer. And there's also this. If you can tell what that is, then you already know. Oh yeah, this part, I don't even need to spray paint this part, because for the build, this gets, stay there. I got tucked up there. So, just gonna leave that like that. Just like, yeah, it's pretty cold out here, so I was hoping. Wow.
Bitter!
We gonna call this a day. Oh yeah, she's done. Just got out of the shower. Let me check on my pieces. Oh yeah, these boys are right. Wow, dude. Wow, dude.
Later.
Going in for a round 2, and I don't want to go set everything up again, but we're going to do a spray paint round 2, and we're going to check it in. We'll see.
She's a miserable bitch. Don't let her get to you.
Alrighty, it is later now. Played a little bit of Stardew. But now, time to glue, baby. I'm gonna glue most of it with this. I am gonna glue my duelist cuff. One is just for display. It's like just the it's just the size to where I could probably squeeze my hand in, but it needs a little give, and no amount of glue to give that give. So I'm just gonna make a slightly bigger one anyway. So this will be for display in my case, which brings me to my second point I was gonna make about my cuff. I still has call back to when I first spray painted. Yeah, one of these boys sayonara, because I'm about to look in the morning. If I can't find it, no big deal, because this is going to be just in the display, so it'll be just in the back. Not too stressed about that, but I can't believe how I didn't realize. I haven't counted, and I was like, 9? Yeah, sounds about right. Okay. Say so. Look at that boy, he's ready. I realized this is here to catch that, so I didn't need to. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with, I guess, this. So I just messed that up. Okay. Okay. Huh. Is this what Spider-Man feels like? Ugh. Okay.
Quickly, I don't know what I'm doing. Ah. Oh no, I'm Yugi. I just got Joey Wheeler. I just got one minute. I'm a fake fan.
I'm about to be a duelist for Halloween and everything else. Anything else I want to be a duelist for? Concert, the grocery store. Oh, maybe I can force it on. What's up? Grip off. Well, put that there for right now. I don't need to do anything with that. These guys are pretty much good too. Susie, please, I know this is a very busy workspace right now. I know. You're gonna miss the corner. There you go. Works for everybody. Last but certainly not least, my scepter. Scepter. There we go. I gotta re-glue it. I almost didn't line up this seams. I was gonna be, man. Oh, glue still might hold. Wow.
Oh no, I touched the glue, I touched the glue. This isn't good, this isn't good. This is not good, I repeat, this is not good.
Okay, so this didn't turn out quite how I thought. Hopefully from back there y'all think of it's okay. I had to use some of my hot glue gun but I'm gonna spray paint it again, and I'm hoping the paint will go to the glue well, and it will just look like little appliques on there, you know, other little details. This is update on this. Maybe I should have been more careful with the glue. Sure, it looks like it's supposed to be there, but it looks like I welded this for the first time. First time welder. Bitter. No, this is perfect for my display.